Hello Year 7, how are you? I hope you haven't been missing me or your computing lessons. Okay, this is just a quick review of what you should be doing in every computing lesson on Renegade Hero for the next 10 missions, 10 lessons. You go to your bit.ly, you know this because you've done it so many times. It's on the VLE, it opens your website lesson calendar. The school class notebook is there for uploading to class notebook, more on that later. But the lessons are there. Renegade Hero opens your Renegade Hero page. It looks like that, the first page. Easy. You know what you're doing because there's a big flashing arrow to this week's work. Okay, everything that has a hand is a link. You can click it. Don't be scared of experimenting. Oh, there's a hand there when I'm clicking on the title. Oh, there's a hand over General Jake Jones. I wonder what it does. I'll leave you to find out. We're going to be showing you where the lessons are, but every lesson is the same. There's links on here to help you. A class notebook link for people who want to go to class notebook from here. And guess what? A homework link. Yes, you have homework to do. One homework isn't that bad. Click on it and guess what? It takes you to the homework. You must do it. It's not hard to do. You've got a few weeks to do it till the holidays and Easter. Okay, this is what you'll do every lesson. You'll go to the lesson that's got the arrow pointing it. This week, base plans. It brings you to my website. Okay, it's just lots of web pages for each mission. Each lesson has 2 pages. The first one shows the instructions and even another arrow telling you what to click. Oh, people didn't know that that blue meant a hyperlink. There's another link there. I think there may be more. There's some more links. Starters, another class notebook. And look, another link there. Put your hand, oh, no link on my face, but there is the main objectives, and it tells you easy to create a base plan. That I want all of you to be doing the highest level with colours and layout, okay, and even some roads. Last of all, how to upload it to class notebook. It even tells you there. The next slide, if you click on lesson tasks, it's worth clicking because each one of my lessons has a lesson objectives and some help. On here it tells you an example. Examples are worth clicking on. I'll let you click on it. Okay, there's some more help there. The main thing to click on though is Renegade Hero to get the full description. This is something you've seen in the lesson. All my lessons have linked to the Renegade Hero website. It brings you to my website for Renegade Hero on the internet, accessible all over the world. It's Cayman. Look, it's even got the logo on there. So let your light so shine. It's specially for you. We're on base plans. You know it's mission 3 because it's lesson 3. And you remember to click on it. You can hear it there, but just click on it and there's some more instructions. There's the instructions. You must follow them. Create a document. If you can't do it, say for some reason you don't have Microsoft Word, do it on Google. Do it on Apple Word. Do it on any document you wish. The choice is yours. Do the work. Save it to your folder. It must be on your PC, saved with a proper name. For example, call this one base plan, but save it in your Renegade Hero folder. Okay, any problems, any questions, just email me, but I do need a screenshot of the problem so I can understand it. Teams is on there. For anybody who's got access to Teams, feel free to go to Teams. Email me your work. Every lesson you must email the work. If you miss a lesson or if you've nothing to email me, you do need to do it again. I need something from each lesson. Okay, well done for working remotely. Look at my other video on how to upload things to class notebook if you forget how to do that. It's exactly the same as in the lesson. Okay, well done everybody. Keep going, keep trying, and do not give up. Remember what General Jake says, do not give up, keep trying. Bye for now.